Good morning, friends. So today I'm making chicken Alfredo without the fettuccine. I'm using thin spaghetti noodles. You can use whatever you like, so enjoy. So first we're going to put the chicken breast into our pan with a little bit of olive oil. Make sure it's nice and hot before you put the chicken in, and then we're going to salt and pepper as well, making sure that both sides are seasoned really well and getting a nice sear on both sides of the chicken. And then I just turn it down low. So then we're going to take the chicken out and put it on a plate for later, and you're going to cook your onions and garlic together in the residual oil, and then you're going to add the heavy cream next and let it come to a little boil. Then add some Parmesan cheese while we're boiling the noodles. And make sure that they're cooked but not like super soft, because they're going to cook in the sauce. Also, don't forget to keep some of the pasta water. I forgot to, but you can always use a little bit of chicken broth if your sauce gets too thick. Then add a little parsley and you have a delicious entree with a Caesar salad, peas, and garlic toast.